या वर्साचो पर्यटन मोसम आशादायी व उर्बा दिवपी असो आसचो ना अशें ट्रॅव्हल अँड ट्युरिझम असोसिएशनचे गोयचे अध्यक्ष सावियो मॅसियस हांणी शेनवारा सांगले. राज्यांत येवपी परदेशी भोंवडेकारां मदीं 20% कपात जाल्या. जरी देशी पर्यटकांचो मोसम बरो गेलो आसलो तरी देशांत जावपी बलात्कार सारक्या घडणुकांचो राज्यांत परिणाम जाता आनी हाका लागून परदेशी पर्यटक कमी येवपाचें हें एक कारण आसूं येता. गोंयांत येवपी चार्टर्ड विमानाय कमी केल्या हेंवूय एक कारण जावं येता. परदेशी पर्यटक कमी जाल्याच पूण निवासाचें आरक्षणय कमी जाल्ल्याचें दिसता. युनायटेड किंगडम आनी अमेरिका सारकिल्या देशांनी भारतांत येवपी पर्यटकांक हांगाच्या घडणुकांविशीं दिल्ल्या सल्ल्याक लागून हें घडटा असो सावियो हाचो अदमास आसा. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Drop in tourist arrivals, especially the foreign arrivals. Charter business is down by about 20-30% because of Thomas Cook, and the Russian drop is also very much visible. Domestic tourism is doing well, but now we are afraid that there might be a bigger drop because of these various rape cases coming up in the newspapers every day. It's creating a scare. Already US and UK have given a travel advisory about coming to India, and unless something is done immediately, the industry is afraid that there will be a further drop. What happens is when a foreigner reads about India, it includes Goa also. So although Goa is much better, we have not had many such cases of rapes in Goa, but still the fear factor is there. And especially when the country issues a travel advisory, it becomes, it's read by everybody in the country, in their countries.
So in future,
it can affect. I'm not saying it will affect, but it can affect. We are scared of it. We are afraid of the business of FITs, couples coming, single people coming. We are afraid of that. It can affect.
So how can it be tackled?
There's nothing much we can do. The only thing we can do is hope that the government handles this matter very seriously. Serious action has to be taken against these rape victims, against these people connected with this rape. He wants the people to be careful about ladies traveling alone. That it is they say it is a bit risky, and it's true. There are too many rape cases happening recently, attacks on women, so it is a bit scary.